Hi, my name is Voyer and I'm going to show you today how I turn one of my bedrooms into a home studio. I found a lot of nice equipment, from sound to lighting to webcams, and I'm going to tell you all about it. But first, let's have a look at what it really looks like. So you can see some of the lights all over there, and the green screen, which plays a big part into the effects that we're trying to achieve. So what do you need to reproduce the same effect? First, you need to think about webcams. Second, you need to think about the sound and the mics. Third, the lights. Fourth, the green screen that is going to help you reproduce the effect. And fifth, you'll need a specific software that we're going to discuss. Webcams are crucial, obviously, to get the best possible quality. Investing in an external webcam is going to be a good thing for quite a few reasons. First, the quality is going to be much better with dedicated equipment. Second, you're going to be able to position the webcam better on your screen so that you get a better framing. And then you can also get a webcam that has a much higher quality than any computer integrated webcam could give you. In order to achieve that nice audio sound, I do recommend a few options. One of them is to work with a lapel mic. In my case, I've got a mic right here that you can see nicely looped around, which is corded to a wireless receiver, which then transmits the sound directly to the laptop. I tend to use these kind of microphones more when I'm seated. They're more practical. If you want to achieve the best looking videos, getting the right lights will be crucial. In terms of lights, I use a 4-point light system, excluding the ceiling light that I have, and I have a reflector in front of me or on top of the webcam to create an additional nice natural reflection. To show you the lights that I use, I've got lights like these on each side of the green screen. Then I use two lights that are more directly facing myself, that ring light and that more traditional movie set type of projector. The reflector is a really nice way to get some natural light onto you. And what you want to be able to achieve with natural lighting is absolute control of the lights. That's why, for instance, right now, I've shut down the blinds so that I can only work with natural light, which is very stable light, and light I've got complete control over. Let's talk about the green screen. The green screen is that one magical thing that will make your video look really good. What are the things that you need to understand about green screens? First of all, they come in all forms. The one that I'm using right now is more of a premium version that stands within a nice frame and that is made of a very nice fabric that makes it difficult for it to crease. The more your green screen creases, the less good the quality of your recording and of your visual effects is going to be. When it comes to softwares, you need to make the right choice because they are going to be the ones that make the magic happen. I use Manycam, which is a software that allows you to compose your image to create the visual effects that you want. For instance, the visual effect that I like to reproduce is one where I stand in front of my slides or pictures so that I can fully immerse people and the people watching, my students or people attending my webinars, so that I can fully immerse them into my experience. So the way Manycams work is quite simple. You can see on the right hand side you have what they call the presets. And so in the presets, what you need to do is to create one layer for your video, for your webcam, and then one layer to capture another screen, and that other screen is going to be your slides or whatever you want to project yourself on top of it. So we've just added the camera that we want to film from, and we're going to go into the chroma key function. And what we're going to be doing in the chroma key function is set things up so that the software actually cuts what's around. And we can ask it to replace the background, and we can tell it that we actually have a chroma key and that it should be able to automatically find the color. And as you can see now, I appear on black. I'm going to go back to my preset and I'm going to add another layer. So in order to do that, I go into the layers, and here you can see desktop, and I'm going to add my external display. So my external display is called Thunderbolt display, and I'm adding it. So I'm going to add a new layer, and I'm going to go and get our camera back, and the camera is here, and I'm going to put myself full screen. So I'm going to go into fit to screen, and then I'm going to go back into the chroma key function, and I'm going to activate the virtual background, go through the same stage that we've been through, tell it that I've got a chroma key, and that it should be able to automatically pick up the color, and there we are. Many things that you can play around. For instance, you can add a timer. If you want people to be able to see what time it is, you can see that it appears here on the screen. You can move it around. You can choose for it to have a specific color, for instance, red. It would look better on that background. And there we go, I've added time. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to know more about the different things that we discussed in today's video, you can watch our other videos online.